respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends, today I stand before you to speak about how far artificial intelligence has progressed in our modern world. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a revolutionary technology that is transforming every aspect of human life. From smartphones to self-driving cars, AI has become an integral part of our daily routine. In the past, machines could only follow simple instructions, but today, AI systems can analyze data, learn from experience, and make intelligent decisions. This advancement has significantly improved efficiency and productivity. One of the most remarkable achievements of AI is in the field of healthcare. AI helps doctors diagnose diseases early and accurately. It also assists in surgeries and medical research, saving countless lives. Moreover, AI has revolutionized industries such as education, finance, and transportation. In education, AI provides personalized learning experiences, while in finance, it detects fraud and manages investments efficiently. However, despite these advantages, AI also presents certain challenges. Issues like job displacement, and ethical concerns cannot be ignored. We must ensure that AI is used responsibly and for the benefit of humanity. Furthermore, AI continues to evolve rapidly. Researchers are developing more advanced systems that can think, reason, and even create like humans. This raises questions about the future relationship between humans and machines. In conclusion, AI has reached extraordinary heights, and its journey is still ongoing. It holds immense potential to transform the world for the better if used wisely. Furthermore, I would like to elucidate that the trajectory of artificial intelligence signifies an unprecedented epoch in technological evolution, evolution, evolution. It is not merely a tool, but a transformative catalyst that is reconfiguring the global landscape. AI systems are now demonstrating remarkable proficiency in domains that require cognition, and analytical reasoning. From autonomous vehicles to sophisticated algorithms. AI is permeating every conceivable sector. Moreover, the integration of AI with other emerging technologies, such as robotics, blockchain, and quantum computing, is amplifying its potential exponentially. This synergy is paving the way for groundbreaking innovations. Nevertheless, the proliferation of AI necessitates a conscientious approach. Ethical dilemmas such as algorithmic bias, surveillance, and autonomy must be meticulously addressed. It becomes imperative for policymakers, and society at large to establish robust frameworks that ensure equitable and responsible utilization. Looking into the future, AI holds the potential to transcend conventional limitations and usher in an era of superintelligence, and unparalleled efficiency. In culmination, I would like to assert that AI stands at the nexus of innovation and responsibility. It is a double-edged sword that demands sagacity in its application. Continuing further, I would like to emphasize that AI is not just a technological advancement, but a paradigm shift in human civilization. It is redefining how we think, work, and interact. Today, AI is capable of performing complex tasks such as natural language processing, image recognition, and predictive